This is the massive Lufthansa cargo terminal at Frankfurt, Germany, a bustling facility where more than 3,000 tons of freight is processed every day. A Telson wireless network is there to help smooth the flow of cargo carried on hundreds of passenger and cargo planes in the Lufthansa fleet. Working with its German systems partner DLGO, Telson has installed mobile handheld and truck-mounted terminals, all of which are linked to the wireless spread spectrum network. Lufthansa's commitment to wireless also includes an RF-based mobile computing tracking and tracing support system implemented in 27 Lufthansa cargo centers around the world. The bottom line for the new system? Increased flexibility, speed, and reliability, all of which add up to better customer service.